Have you ever seen a raptor that travels in flocks instead of hunting alone? The Black Baza, or Aviceda lufodes, is a small bird of prey found in South and Southeast Asia. It lives in forests and wooded areas, often seen perching high on trees. Measuring around 12 to 13 inches long, it has bold black, white, and chestnut markings that make it stand out. Known for its graceful flight, the Black Baza feeds on insects, small reptiles, and occasionally small birds. During migration, it gathers in large flocks, a unique trait for raptors. Let's protect this animal before it's gone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next wild moment